Hi Ben, this video is just for you, but I'm probably going to put it up on my channel on YouTube. Thanks a lot, buddy. Thanks for asking, because this is a great video to start my new company with. Hey Ben, short Ben, small Ben. I have a knife, which I couldn't have in that place, Hotel California. It's a chef's knife, and I've taken some bites out of it. I don't know. This is at the Airbnb, and I don't know what they did. I don't know what they did with the knife. Anyways, I'm gonna start unboxing the little things first, okay? That I ordered. First of all, here's a pen. The special. There's the tip remover. Put that away. I also ordered, and that was an extra, the pen. It was $29. I also got this big power bank, came from Samsung, wireless charger trio. I don't know what the trio means, so I'm just going to cut the tape, brand new. I'll try not to massacre myself. Then they'll send me back to loony bin, because this is dangerous. They shouldn't let us have knives even when we're out. I could really cut myself, so I'm going to... Whoa, it's heavy as hell. Holy crap. And there's a wireless charger. Samsung, obviously Android. I keep getting iPhones. Look how big it is. Like, I can't make it any wider, so I'm just going to move these things back. Need the phone for last, and I bought this snazzy looking case. So I gotta cut the. Oh, there's none there. I have to cut this. Hey, man, this is dangerous. Chef's knife. Killed by a chef's knife. Unboxing a phone case. I don't know why I got gold. I should have got black or white. So, it comes with two pieces. I believe it holds the phone. Okay, here comes da 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 da. There's my laptop in the background. Okay, look at the Z. Whoa. Nice box. Awesome box. You can tell I've never done this before. Okay. Get the go. What? What? I think I got pizza on this. Of course, Papa. Papa Bruce here. I gotta clean it. This Z4. Oh, here comes the moment. Ben, Sam, you've been waiting for. Anybody, I always use the name Sam when I'm a bit confused. So, here we go with the shark knife. Do you think that's on purpose? No, can't be. That's shark. Okay, keep my fingers away from the knife. It's really dangerous in the outside world. I don't want to wreck the box, because if Sam wants it, I'll send him the box so he doesn't have to buy a new phone. He can pretend he has one. Put his old phone in there. And then, you know, Ben, someday I'm going to send you one. If you don't buy one, I'm going to send you one. Because you're going to be part of this whole story. There we go. Dun da da da. Dun da da da. What's that letter? Kind of an M. Okay, it's coming out. Whoa. Whoa. Look at it, glossy. And then I'm gonna turn it. Oh, it's coming out. Oh my God, it's got a SIM card. covered in plastic on both sides. It bends. The plastic makes it kind of weird, but it does bend. Okay. Hold it again. No. It's got the front screen, little front screen. It's actually, I had a big LG and I found it hard to get in my pocket. It was so big. Now this is all skinny and actually fits in my back pocket way better than the old LG with single screen, not a tablet. Mini tablet. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. And you can tell I was waiting for like the 2 and the 3, and it still had too much of a crease in it. See this slight crease? When you're watching Netflix at night in the dark, you don't even notice it. It's got a little, you can see the little indentation. Not quite the size of my notebook, but I bought a hub where I can use a mouse on my, a special hub where you plug in the mouse dongle, and also a mini keyboard which is Bluetooth, and I'm actually like working on a PC. But now I use the recorder, text to speech, and when I'm writing something long, I don't need the keyboard anymore. I just record it and it converts it to text, and then I cut and paste into the email or the text. Okay, bye for now. Let's fold it and put the back down. Still not charging yet. Probably needs more charge. I don't know. It should work. Oh well. As you can tell, I'm not very professional. I'm going to rip this little thing off for some reason. It's there. Oh, didn't even see that plastic. Cool. And this is the front. So it's got a screen protector already built into it, which is great. And the phone has, that's weird. The case. It's the wrong case. It's the wrong case. It's too small. Damn it. I asked for a 4. I bought a 4. You'd think they send the right case with the 4. Maybe I'm wrong. See, it's got these 2 holes. Okay, so this is the back. Yep, wrong case. Too small. Damn it. If it was Amazon, it'll be easy to return. Okay, I don't have a case. I can't demo the case. I showed the phone is charging when I plug it in. So once I got it all set up, I'll come back here. Bye guys. Okay, this is the SIM card remover, which Fido, my telecom, is it telecom or telecom? It's probably telecom, sent me a new SIM card without this, and I had to use a paper clip, which I had to force in. I didn't like it. It didn't feel right. So I've got this from Samsung. Thank you guys. Okay. Now I have to go find the SIM card.